Seriously, I was just trying to climb down the ladder. Look at that. Look at that. It's everywhere. Let there be light. Look at this. Got everything wired up. Woohoo! Check it out, all the outlets work. Got the fridge in case you didn't notice. I'm going to leave the plastic up for now. Got the microwave in. We can actually cook stuff. Yay! Next steps, I am working on air sealing. So you can see I kind of went around some of the outlets and put some spray foam in them. I got another can. We're going to take care of some of the parts I couldn't get, drilled little holes so I could actually get in on the edge of some of these, put some over it, maybe get some over there. And then we're going up to my favorite place in the whole wide world, the attic, and we're going to do some more air sealing. So, stay tuned. Oh, yeah, quick, couple things I forgot to mention. I just put in switches here for now. These are all on regular old switches. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights on switches, or dimmers, or circuits I should say. And what I want to do is get some dimmers on there. However, I absolutely refuse to pay $20 for a LED dimmer switch. So I'm waiting for them to go on sale at Costco. You can usually get them around 15 bucks for a pair. We're going to wait for that, and then I'll put some LED dimmer switches in. I'm going to get some new GFI outlets. These are tamper resistant. I mean, that one's okay. It's just old. I took it out of the old kitchen and it works, but you know, it looks old. And this one being within 6 feet of kitchen sink. Hi, Poof. Hey, you want to say hi? No? You want to say hi?
Hi.
You want to say hi? Hi.
Hi.
This needs to be water resistant. All of these outlets are on the load end of that GFI, so we're protected there. All of these circuits. One last little thing. These 4-inch LED pseudo can lights are awesome. They are really easy to put in. I was a little concerned that they would be too small, not put out enough light, but as you can see, let's turn that off, and turn that off, turn that off. There's 2 of them, 1, 2 that are on. You can still see pretty well. Can you see, Bob? Can you?
I can still see everything.
You can still see everything? Can you see now?
Yes.
You can? Oh. Should we have not put lights in here?
We have. We have. We have. Turn on the light switches and see what happens.
Give me a good dragon growl. So, as you can see, I was up here sealing around the can lights, the ductwork, the old ductwork, and while I had some foam left in the can, I figured I would try and seal some of these wall gaps. However, not all of them were uncovered. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's see. So yeah, that one, that one, that one, and then there was insulation all the way along there. So yeah, down here. So I got the vacuum up here, and we're going to seal the rest of those now. Here we go. No matter how hard you try, this crap gets everywhere. everywhere. This is going to be on my hands for like a week. Anyway, check it out. Got all the little nooks and crannies, pardon the lighting, sealed off, except for a big one here. So you aren't going to be able to see that, but in an earlier video I showed you with the light going down there, how this whole thing, see that hole over there, is wide open. There's a little piece of paper over it holding this insulation up. I got to cut a little board tomorrow and put it over that. I'll put some caulk in and seal that sucker up, because that's huge. This whole thing, I mean, I'm going to put the insulation back and that paper is going to rip. It's going to fall through. So yeah, over there, all the way along there. I can't get in under the eaves. Look at that. Yeah, I just stepped in that. Where did that come from? What was it? Anyway. Yeah, got over there. All along there. Even had a bunch left over, so I decided to seal up the attic opening a bit. Yay. Cleaned up the wiring. So tomorrow the plan is, let me try and step over here without stepping in any more of this crap. My foot already sticks to everything. Tomorrow, I'm going to cut that piece for the holes over there and electrical. This is within 6 feet of the opening, so I got to protect these wires somehow. I got to put a couple pieces of wood on either side of this, so when somebody's in here and the insulation's all over this, can't see anything, they're feeling around for the joists. Don't step on this wire and damage it or yank on it or anything good like that. We'll get those in, get that in. Then we are ready to pull the insulation back, put that over, and you can see I still have my rake up here. We're gonna try and use that to pull all the insulation that I used my leaf blower to blow out of the way so I could pull up these bats and get that going. That's gonna be interesting. Anyway, that's for tomorrow. Tonight, I'm gonna go wash this off as best I can, grab a beer, and kick back. Have a good night. Well, there you have it. South cabinets are in. We got to get a gas line up for the stove, then we can put that in. Starting to get there. We still got this beautiful thing to take care of, but we'll get there. For now, the Instant Pot is a lifesaver. Now, I got to go up in the attic since it's 15 degrees out tonight and put a blanket over the kitchen. It isn't as pure as the freshly driven snow, but it'll do for the winter till we come up with plans to either bump up or maybe next spring, summer, fall I'll buy a few more bags of insulation and spray them all over everything. For now, fingers crossed, I'm done with the attic.